Good morning guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Rizal Mingulio po ang inyong lingkod at nagsasabing business, mind your business. Okay guys, let's proceed immediately to our topic. Our topic for today, it's about the collection of real property tax. Guys, makinig po. Collection of real property tax. Article 7 na po tayo ngayon, Section 12. So, Section 12, collection of tax. Item A, the collection of real property tax with interest thereon and related expenses and the enforcement of the remedies provided in this code or any applicable laws shall be the responsibility of the city treasury. Okay, the next is we have item B. Guys, makinig po kayo sa item B. Napaka-importante po ito sa item B. It's about the date of accrual of tax para malaman nyo po ang inyong schedule po ng installment ng pagbabayad. So, item B, date of accrual of tax. The basic and additional real property taxes shall accrue on the first day of January, and from that date, is shall constitute a lien on the property which shall be superior of any other lien, mortgage, or encumbrance of any kind whatsoever, and shall be extinguished only upon the payment of the delinquent tax. The same may, however, at the discretion of the taxpayer, be paid without penalty in 4 equal installments. So, 4 na equal installments, guys. The first installment on or before March 31. The second installment on or before June 30. The third installment on or before September 30. And the last installment on or before December 31. Except the special ordinance by the Sangguniang Panglungsod. We have here item C. It's about the collection of basic and additional real property tax. The basic tax and the additional real property tax shall be collected together. In case only a portion of the tax is paid, such payment shall be divided proportionately and applied to both accordingly. Payments or real property taxes shall be first be applied to prior year's delinquencies, interest, and penalties. If any, and only after said delinquencies are settled, shall tax payments be credited to the current period. We have heard the item D. It's about the tax discount for prompt payment. There is hereby granted a 20% guys, discount if the basic real property tax and the additional tax accruing to the special education fund are paid in full on the first quarter of the current year. At 10% discount is hereby granted if the basic real property tax and the additional tax accruing to the special education fund are paid on time in accordance with the prescribed schedule on payment as provided under item B. Kung nakinig po kayo kanina, yung nabanggit ko sa inyo tungkol sa item B. Okay, so let's proceed to item E. It's about the interest on unpaid real property tax. Failure or to pay the basic real property tax or any other tax levied under the chapter upon the expiration on the periods provided in item B, on when due as the case may be, shall subject the taxpayer to the payment of interest at the rate of 2% per month on the unpaid amount or fraction thereof until the delinquent tax shall have been fully paid, provided however that in no case shall the total interest on the unpaid tax or portion thereof exceed 18 months. So guys, that's the end of our topic for today. Okay guys, stay tuned po for my next video. Tapos na po yung section 12. So ang next video ko po sa continuation din po ng discussion ko. So it's the next video that is the continuation pa din ng Article 7, the collection of real property tax, and that is under section 13. So, abangan nyo pa rin po guys ang aking susunod na video para dagdag po kaalaman. Para sa mga kumukuha po ng mga business permit, Kasi yung iba kumukuha ng mga business permit, hindi nila masyadong alam yung tungkol dito. So, nais ko pong pasalamatan before end of this video, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang lahat po ng mga viewers, nag-like po, at ang mga subscribers po. Maraming salamat po mula po sa aking puso. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Alam ko po, ako po ay baguhan lamang na nag-YouTube or vlogger. Ngunit po, ako po ay nagpapasalamat pa rin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon, sa kaalaman. Okay guys, maraming salamat po. Lizelle Mingolio po, ang inyong lingkod, nagsasabing, business, mind on your business. Bye!